Welcome to the Humble Driver. This isn't about horsepower, lap times, or luxury badges. It's about connection between you, the road, and the machine beneath you. Here we celebrate the drive itself, not the destination. We take the long way home. We explore scenic roads, forgotten by time and overlooked by speed. We drive humble machines, simple, honest, soulful, no ego, no filters, just the sound of tires, engines, and your thoughts. From underrated classics to everyday heroes, from misty mornings in the hills to golden sunsets on winding roads. Because sometimes the slow lane has the best view. This is your calm corner of car culture. Drive slow, feel more. The Humble Driver.